I have a few bits of news about my advertising coaching club for cleaning businesses. First, the price for the coaching club dues is about to increase at the end of this weekend. But don't worry, if you are already inside of the coaching club, if you are already a member, you're going to be locked in at whatever rate that you're currently in at. And if you sign up before the price increase by the end of this weekend, you'll still be locked in at that rate. No problem. Sign up now to be locked in. Now, some of the stuff that we've been doing inside of the coaching club, of course, we've had client postcards to where we make a really easy way for you to mail postcards to your past clients, to mail email newsletters. I'm going to show you more about that in just a second to your past clients. Reminder postcards, doorknob hangers, EDDM neighborhood postcards. Google AdWords training. I'm going to be talking about that again in just a little bit. Brochures, sales letters, commercial marketing, gift cards, all sorts of stuff as well. We do one free graphic design for you per month for free. All you have to do is tell us which postcard that you want or whatever brochure, whatever that you want to do. We'll actually customize it to your own logo, to your own company once per month. We even help you with printing, mailing, and delivery for some of the cheapest prices that you can get anywhere. Usually a client postcard, if you're sending at least 1,000, it's around 50 cents per postcard. That includes shipping, labeling, everything out the door. There really is no other better value for doing marketing like this to your clients. Now, we've been doing some training on Google Ads. We did training about a year and a half ago, and we've got the training located here. Google's changed quite a bit, so we're about to do an updated course for Google Ads starting here in the next week or two. Everybody that's part of the coaching club is going to get messages about that. So if you get into the club now, not only do you get locked in at the old price, at the lower price, but you also get access to the Google Ads course. You can still get access to the course if you're not part of the club, but there's going to be a $697 fee to be able to be part of that course. Now, also, some of the stuff that we've really been working on inside of the coaching club is a email marketing and text marketing platform to be able to help you market to past clients and even prospects. We've got commercial emails. We've also got emails for just tile cleaning, carpet cleaning, pet stain removal. This is one of the tile cleaning emails we've got. But everything's already set. We pop in your logo. The email's already written. Your phone number will be in. Your website, Facebook, YouTube, whatever the case may be. All you have to do is go into the system, select who it is that you want to send it to, and click Send Email. Click Proceed, select the email it is that you want to send, and then click Send Email. That's all you have to do. It literally is that easy to send email newsletters to your past clients. And as well, the system can do text marketing. Text marketing setup's a little bit more involved, but super, super easy to do once it's set up, and it only costs 1 to 2 cents per completed text to market to your past clients. So that is huge. The system does actually incorporate with QuickBooks, by the way, but you can also import your list pretty easily by simply clicking on, here's a button right here, by clicking on Import Contacts. You can import it from QuickBooks or any other service. Super easy to get that inside of the software. So coming up soon, we're going to be doing an updated Google Ads course because some things have changed. You'll be part of that for free. Also, we're going to be doing an SEO course to help you get ranking on Google, the Google Dominator SEO course. We're going to be showing you and laying out specifically how to get ranked on Google. We did a course on that about a year ago. Again, a few things have changed, so we need to do an update on that coming up soon. So if you sign up now, you'll not only get access to everything that we just talked about, the postcards, the designs, the discounted printing, the brochures, but the email newsletter templates, the software for that included, Google Ads training, and the SEO training. All part of the coaching club. Get signed up right now. There really is no better value for marketing training. The other big thing too is you get access to me. Do we have group webinars once or twice per month? You can ask me questions, have me review your Google Ads as well, have me even review an ad that you're working on. All of that available, and even you have email access to me anytime that you want to be able to ask me questions, bounce some ideas off me. So, join the coaching club, look into the details, give it a look. It's right below this video. We'd love to have you as part of the Ad Coaching Club.